You know how your garage, your shop tends to be grungy in a way that, there's dust and dirt on every surface. And even if you do dust management when you're cutting wood and it goes out and into the cyclone separator and exhausts outside, it still gets really kind of grungy. So you pick up a tool and it doesn't feel very good. And you look at a surface and it's pretty crappy. So I clean my shop regularly, but it is this very complicated, full of tiny little things space. So today I'm going to show you how I clean the shop by blowing it out. Welcome to BarrittWorks. It starts with the barn fan in the door, small barn fan. And then this back exit to my wood storage, I open it up so that air can flow through. We're almost there. I have no interest in breathing all this. And that's that. Keep evacuating the air for a minute or two. And the end result is really quite remarkable. Everything is clean. At least as much as you might call something clean in a shop. And it just feels nicer. Thanks for watching.